everyone, I'm Emily.
And I'm Abby.
And today we're back at it again with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we show you how to recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. Today we have an organic, whimsical, split grounded arch featuring our Taylor collection.
And if you are interested in recreating this look, all of the products used today are linked below in the description, so be sure to check that out.
Yes, and we really love how it turned out. You can add more, you can add less.
Super cute.
Yeah.
And easy.
Yes, very easy and quick. All right, now let's get into it. We're gonna start out, we'll each have a side, and we'll start out by placing the Floral Meadow. This is the Taylor collection. All of our Floral Meadows have this foam base, so they are easily able to be placed on any structure or surface. And it's just a really grand centerpiece that you can use pretty much anywhere. So we'll do that first. You can put it like back here. And then I will add one more to the front of this one. These back ones may need to be elevated a little bit. So we have a cake stand that I'll put maybe on this side in the back. We are gonna finish it off by adding the Vaseless centerpiece. This is a good filler. You can definitely mix collections this way, so if you had another collection in mind, like the Millie, you could definitely use those Vaseless centerpieces to kind of mix and match. But today we're doing all Taylor. Thing about this install is it is partially a grounded arch, but very organic and spaced out, so you and your partner can stand in the middle and you're just surrounded by just a field of flowers right there.
Okay, and there you have it, an organic split grounded arch featuring our Taylor collection. And like we said before, this is part of our how-to series. We do this a few different ways. Sometimes we show you what we want to show you, which we did today. We thought this was a different take on a grounded floral arch. We did it split with some pieces in forward and backward. Super easy to do and super easy to recreate. Sometimes we poll our Instagram audience, so if you want to say in one of our next how-to videos, follow us on Instagram, look at our stories, and vote on what install and what collection you want us to recreate. And then lastly, we take requests, so there's a form in the description below. Let us know your budget, what area you need help with, what collection you're interested in. If you're not sure, just fill out the information as best as you can and we will help you recreate that.
Yes, so if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next time.
Bye.